This is how you can stream Motive into Motion Builder and overlay 3D models onto your actors in real time. All steps shown are after the proper Motive Motion Builder plugin is installed. In Motive, open the Data Streaming pane, and make sure your settings are as follows. Then, in Motion Builder, under the Asset Browser pane, click on Devices, and there should be 3 OptiTrack assets listed. If they aren't, you may have the wrong version of Motion Builder or the plugin. Now, to make the skeleton, create a new skeleton in Motive as normal. Then, in Motion Builder, drag an OptiTrack skeleton from the Asset Browser into the viewer. This should be opening the Skeleton plugin pane. Check the addresses and make sure they are set to 127.0.0.1. Then, select the Model Binding dropdown and click Create. Then, click on the red box next to Online and check the Live box. The box should now be green. By now, there should be a yellow skeleton in the viewer. If not, click on Update Binding and it should appear. At this point, if your actor is already in the space, then the Motion Builder skeleton should sync up with their actions. For applying a model, you should be able to click and drag your desired model onto the skeleton. Then, in the Character Controls section, select the Character dropdown and find your model name. Then, select the Source dropdown and find the name of your Motive skeleton. It helps to name your skeleton in Motive after your actor to make this easier. At this point, you should have a model that moves with your actor.